Data handling. We are going to learn about data, classification of data, showing the data as pictographs, bar graphs, etc. Observe the following questions. For example, how many benches are needed for your class? Observe this question. To answer this question, you need the following information. A. How many students are there in your class? B. How many students can sit on each bench? Like this, to answer any of the above questions, you need some information. You have to collect the information, or you have to make use of the information which is already available. The data collected can be in the form of numerical figures or information. In this chapter, we are going to deal with numerical data. Let us see some examples of numerical data. A. Number of girls and boys in a school. B. Daily temperatures. C. Details of rainfall in various districts. D. Information of population in the municipal office. E. Information of livestock. F. Number of students appearing for 10th class examination in AP. Example. The marks obtained by 40 students of a class in science are as follows. What can we know from the above data? If they are arranged in either ascending or descending order, the highest mark and lowest mark will be known. Highest mark is 93, lowest mark is 2. Therefore, the marks are spread between 2 and 93. The difference between these two numbers is called range. Therefore, range is equal to 93 minus 2 is equal to 91. Range is the difference between maximum value and the minimum value of a data. What is the advantage of collecting information in the numerical form? Why should we collect information? How to convert the collected information according to our convenience? Let us think. Pictorial representation. The data which is collected in the form of numerical figures will not attract the attention of the people and difficult to understand. If the same data is presented in the form of pictures or diagrams, it will be interesting and easy to understand and compare. Pictographs. Representation of the data in the form of pictures, objects or parts of objects is called pictograph or pictogram. Example. The details of number of books in each subject available in a library are given below. Draw a pictograph. Subject. Number of books. Telugu 450, Hindi 250, English 500, Maths 650, Science 300, Social 450. To present this data in the form of figures, we have to draw pictures. Drawing pictures is an art. The figures should be attractive and neat. There are 450 books in Telugu. It is difficult to draw 450 pictures of books, so let us frame a rule that one picture of a book represents 100 books. This rule is called scale. Let us take the scale for this problem as 1. This shape is equal to 100 books. If it is half book, then think how many books does it represent. The scale should be taken depending upon the problem and requirement. Pictograph showing number of books subject-wise in a library is as follows. Telugu 4 pictures plus half picture denoting 450 books. Hindi 2 full pictures, 1 half denoting 250 books. English 5 full pictures to denote 500 books. Mathematics 6 full pictures, 1 half pictures to denote 650 books. Science 3 full pictures to denote 300 books. Social Studies 4 full pictures, 1 half picture to denote 450 books. While drawing the pictographs, the following points are to be taken care of. 1. All the pictures should be of same size. 2. The scale should be selected carefully to suit our need. 3. If half the picture is being used, the detail should be mentioned clearly. 4. The pictures should be neat and attractive. 5. The diagram should have a suitable and short heading. Problems in drawing pictographs. 1. Drawing pictographs is difficult and time-consuming. 2. Showing the whole information through pictograph is not possible always. For example, there are 167 storybooks in a library. If we show 167 is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 17, then how many pictures should be drawn? For 100, this picture, for 50, this, and then for 17, there is no picture. Bar graph. We can understand that pictograph is not sufficient for all the needs, so to represent the data, we need some other graphs. Points to remember while drawing bar graphs. Each bar represents an item in the data. Number of bars is equal to number of items. 2. The breadth of the bar does not represent any item, so let all the breadths of bar be the same to make up the graph attractive. 3. The distance between any two bars should be the same. 4. All the bars should be based on the same line either on x-axis or y-axis. 5. The bars can be drawn either horizontally or vertically. 6. The lengths of the bar represent the values of the data. 7. The bars can be shaded with dots, lines or colors to make them attractive.